As always, if you can't see where you're going, don't drive fast. Let's see, what do we have here? We've got the alley. Long row of cars moving slowly. So what we're going to do is, because these cars are starting to slow down even more, we're going to slow down. We're in second, going 30. Okay. We're comfortable. And this is a point where I'm thinking about making the decision. Do I drop down to first? And I think that the right decision here is to drop down to first. But I'm not going to do it just yet. Thank you. You still have a little bit of room to move, but remember, when cars are moving this slow, you want to be very careful. Thank you. You want to be very careful not to, that was loud, not to take this too fast. Just ease your way in. There's no rush. I've said it before, I'll say it again. You're already on a motorcycle. You're already saving time. You don't need to save more time. It's just stay smart and just enjoy the ride. You'll get there. You're gonna get there faster already. Don't do anything. Don't rush to do something that's just gonna end up getting you hurt.